Hello everyone, welcome back to the Lucas Studio Formula series by AnalyticsLiv. This is the 7th video of the 21 video series, so let's quickly start. Today's topic is about how to create a custom dimension where we will assign categories based on different price ranges. So to do that, here we have a table where we have item name and its details, item price, item purchase and item revenue. So as we can see, different items have different prices, so we will create a price range. So let's say like this, we will have high range products which are above 500, mid range between 100 to 500 and low range between 100. So we will categorize the item based on the prices. If the price is low than 100, then we will give it as low range. If it is between 100 to 500, then we will give it as mid range, or if the price is above 500 of the product, we will give it as high range. So let's quickly start. So to do that, we need to create a calculated field where we will create a custom made item price range using case formula. So let's start. So to do that, first you need to click on add a field, then add calculated field. Here we will name item price range to the calculated field. Then we have to write a formula. As we are writing a case, then first write a case, then first situation when item price is less than 100. So we have to write when our dimension name was item price and then less than 100. Then we'll keep its name as low price range. Then the second condition, when item price, let's say, is less than equals to 100 and item price, let's take it as greater than equals to 100 and item price is less than equals to 500. Then mid price range. And the third category, when item price is greater than 500, then high price range. And we have to write end to end the condition of to end the case. So now, as we can see, we have provided all the three conditions. The first will give you the low price range when the item price is less than 100. The second will give you mid price range when the item price is between 100 and 500. And at last, if it is higher than 500, it will give you high price range. Now let's save it and finish. Now let's add it. Item price range. So you can see, as I have sorted the item price descending wise. So first you will see the high price range, which is above 500 till here. Then you can see mid price range, which is between 500 and 100. And if it is below 100, you will see the low price ranges. So using this, you can create your own category for item price range, or you can, using the case, you can create other logics as well to create your own category, own group, and it will help you. The item price range will help you understand, like for this example, you can see, you can understand that how much contribution of revenue is from which price range. So might be the price range is higher, but the total revenue is higher in the case of a mid price range or low price range. So you can do such experiments and understand how your products are working and which range of products is giving a higher revenue to your website or your company. I hope this helped. So thank you. Stay tuned. There are much more interesting videos also coming up. So thank you.